writing. Okay. Now let's start with the today's class. Yesterday we discussed about the amines. In the amines we was doing the
मैम शुभांगी ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रही.
अब बेटा in that Shubhangi को I just invite over here. Maybe 10.
ताशु को भी.
Shubhangi, Ashu. Yes, now she has joined or not. Okay, so let's start with our class. Yesterday we discussed about the amines. Amines के अंदर हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था its basic introduction. With the introduction we discussed about the preparation. Preparation में हम लोगों ने किया था that when you want to prepare amines, the first thing reduction of nitro compounds. Then we did the ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Ammonolysis mein I told you that aryl amines cannot be prepared by the ammonolysis. The reason being is what? Because nucleophilic substitution reaction is not possible over there. Then the disadvantage which I told you is what? For the ammonolysis, disadvantage is ki thi that whenever you are going to produce the amines with the help of ammonolysis, it is going to give you a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines, and as well as the quaternary amines. Another thing which we discussed in the ammonolysis was this, that if a large amount of alkyl halide you are going to use, then your quaternary salt will be the main product over there. Then next was the reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitrile was the step up reaction. Step up reaction means that आपका कार्बन आटम, एक कार्बन आटम जो है वो increase होगा. Then reduction of the amides with it, and in the case of reduction we use the lithium ammonium hydride. Now let's start with the preparation only, but the named reaction in the case of the preparation. So the first reaction for the preparation of the amines under a named category is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Now in this particular, we prepare a primary amines, and over here your phthalimide is what? It is being treated with a ethanolic potassium hydroxide. When it is treated with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide, it forms a potassium salt of phthalimide, which on heating with the alkyl halide, or you can say in the presence of the alkyl halide, gives you alkyl phthalimide. Then you do the alkaline hydrolysis. On alkaline hydrolysis, it provides you the amine. Let's look the reaction. This is your phthalimide. Alcoholic KOH you are going to take. It is going to form the potassium salt. This then treated with the, or you can say made to react with the any alkyl halide. On reaction with the alkyl halide, it will make a alkyl phthalimide. Then this alkyl phthalimide is made to hydrolyze in a alkaline solution. So what is going to happen? यहाँ पे क्या है? Your Na is negative and this is the positive. Na is positive, OH is negative. So what is going to happen over here? Then along this there will be your production of primary amine which we require over here. This is your Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Now coming to the last preparation method, that is also a named reaction over here. That is your Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. अब ये Hoffman degradation reaction, this particular reaction is बेटा step down reaction. Step down reaction का मतलब क्या हो गया? That your one carbon atom is going to decrease over here. Basically इसके अंदर we do the preparation of the primary amines by treating an amide with bromine, and this treatment is done in a aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. So let's look over here. Br2 plus, say suppose we have taken a KOH, you can take a KOH also, you can take a NaOH also, any of it you can take. RNH2, अगर आप KOH ले रहे हो तो it is going to form the K2CO3. If you are going to take the NaOH तो ये सोडियम कार्बोनेट बनाएगा plus KBr plus water molecule. In this case it will form a NaBr. Okay, now if you are having a KOH to balance the equation, 4 and this will be 2 KBr और यहाँ पे H2O, 2H2O. Got it? Say suppose we have taken a CH3CO NH2 plus Br2 plus KOH, so it is going to form the CH3 NH2, means there is decrease of the one carbon atom over here, plus KBr plus K2CO3 plus water molecule. Balance the equation. 2 and 2. With this we finish our preparations of the amines. Got it? In both the named reaction you are going to prepare the primary amines. Clear? Now just especially these boys, I forgot Nisha also submitted the homework. When I am discussing the question answer over here, तो आप साथ के साथ करा करो बेटा, ताकि आपका लोड भी कम हो जाएगा और काम भी हो जाएगा. एंड स्पेशली आई एम वेरी श्योर कि ये जो बॉयज हैं दे आर नॉट डूइंग द वर्क. Now coming to the in-text question, let's discuss with the in-text question 13.1. Your question number 13.1 says classify the following amines as primary, secondary or tertiary. Side by side, you people keep on writing in your note copies also these questions. First one is given NH2. Another one is given C2H5 2NH. Now over here we require to tell whether the given compounds are the primary, secondary or tertiary. Now in this if you are going to look which type of the amine it is beta. कौन सा amine होगा ये?
प्राइमरी
प्राइमरी कैसे होगा? NH3 जो होता है
सेकेंडरी
यस NH3 होता है आपका. अब यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन्स रिप्लेस हैं मतलब कि यहाँ पे दो कार्बन एटम्स आए हुए हैं तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी द सेकेंडरी. इस केस में ये देखो NH2 और NH2 है मींस ओनली वन हाइड्रोजन एटम इज बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी योर प्राइमरी. और यहाँ पे देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन इट मींस कि ये वाला कौन सा हो गया? tertiary. Like this you can identify very easily. Got it? Now the next question is your 13.2. Your question number 13.2 says write the structure of different isomeric amines corresponding to the molecular formula C4H11 and N. अब इसके सारे आइसोमेरिक फॉर्म्स आपको बनाने हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंपल फॉर्म से हम लोग चलते हैं. CH3 CH2 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 NH2. तो क्या हो गया ये? 4 कार्बन एटम्स हैं ब्यूटेनमाइन. एक ही हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस है फर्स्ट डिग्री. अब नेक्स्ट पे आप आ जाओ. CH3 CH CH2 NH2. At the second position methyl group is being attached. So 2 methyl propanamine. Again only one hydrogen is being replaced so primary it is. Then third one is your CH3 CH2 CH NH2. At the first position it is. NH2 की लेके आते हैं. वेट here I make it. CH3 CH2 CH CH3 NH2. Second position के ऊपर your amine has came. So it is butane 2 amine. Only one hydrogen is being replaced. So first degree. Then your CH3 C CH3 CH3 NH2. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? 2-methyl propane 2-amine. This is also going to be the first degree. Then next is your CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3. यहाँ पे it is going to be the N-ethyl ethanamine. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 hydrogens are being replaced, so it is going to be the second degree. Then CH3, CH, CH3, NH, CH3. So over here it is what? N-methyl propane 2-amine. Again 2 hydrogens are being replaced, तो ये second degree हो गया. Then CH3, CH2, N, CH3 and CH3. All hydrogens are being replaced, so it is going to be the third degree and it will be NN dimethyl ethanamine. और कोई बचता है? एक CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, CH3. That is your N-methyl propanamine. Second degree. Okay. Now the question says, write the IUPAC name of all the isomers. So we have written the IUPAC names of all the isomers over here. Okay. Third part says, what type of isomerism is exhibited by the different pairs of the amines. So I just tell you that the isomers which we have made, they are exhibiting the position 1, chain and the metamerism. That you people can identify yourself. This much you have noted down? Noted down or not?
Noted, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the question in text question 13.3. Your question number 13.3 says, how will you convert benzene into aniline? Means आपको क्या करना है? बेंजीन से आपको aniline banana. Means you require to introduce the NH2 group over here. Now directly NH2 group we cannot introduce over here. So first of all, what you are going to do? You are going to do the nitration. Nitration के लिए you are going to take the concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So what will come? नाइट्रो ग्रुप विल इंट्रोड्यूस. अब नाइट्रो ग्रुप जब इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया तो सिंपल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कैटलिस्ट एंड पुटिंग अ aniline over here. Okay. Next part says you need to convert the benzene ring into NN dimethyl aniline. अब benzene ring से what you हाँ बेटा.
मैम आपने एरो के नीचे क्या लिखा है H2PD वाले?
No, nothing. मैं रब कर देती हूँ इसे. Okay. Now your second part says आपको बेंजीन रिंग को कन्वर्ट करना है इनटू NN डाइमिथाइल एनिलीन. सो NN डाइमिथाइल एनिलीन क्या हो गया? this. So again the very first step will be what? आपका first step क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Sorry, benzene ring आप लोगे. Simple, you will do the nitration. After doing a nitration, what will come? NO2 group will come. Then you will get convert into a aniline. Aniline तक your steps are same. अब aniline आने के बाद you are going to take any alkyl halide. आपको methyl group चाहिए तो you are going to take the CH3Cl. So what is going to happen? Your one hydrogen is going to replaced by the CH3 and minus HCl will come out. अब आपको dimethyl चाहिए, so again you are going to make it to react with the same alkyl halide because same group आपको चाहिए. So what is going to happen over here? Nitrogen, CH3 and CH3. This is your dimethyl aniline. Got it? Minus HCl. Clear? Then your third part says Cl, CH2, 4Cl into hexane 1,6 diamine. अब what is this? ये क्या है? Tell me the name of this. जल्दी बताओ IUPAC name. Do the expansion of this CH2 and then tell me the name.
1,4-dichlorobutane.
1,4-dichlorobutane.
Yes, it is 1,4-dichlorobutane. अब आपको क्या करना है? इसको कन्वर्ट करना है into hexane 1,6-diamine. So what you are going to do over here? It means क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Step up हो रहा है. Step up means कि यहाँ पे 4 carbon atoms हैं and over here we are having the 6 carbon atom. तो पहला target क्या है आपका? You require to increase the carbon atoms. So what you are going to do? NaCN you are going to take and you are going to maintain it a ethanolic you are going to add in the presence of ethanol. Sorry. So N. So at the first step what we have done? We have increased the 2 carbon atoms. अब 2 carbon atom increase होने के बाद you are going to do the introduce the hydrogen over here. So that is your H2ON, CH2, CH2, 4, CH2, NH2. This is your 1,6-diamine, hexane 1,6-diamine. Okay. Always remember, या फिर अभी almost हमारी organic chemistry is being completed. तो कुछ ऐसे specific components, substances हैं, compounds हैं जिसको we use for the step up reactions. कुछ ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हम step down reactions में use करते हैं. तो उनकी एक अलग से list बना लो. ज़्यादा तो है नहीं, 2-4 ही हैं. So it will be easy for you people to remember the conversion questions. Okay. And वैसे तो you people like the students who are studying, अच्छा उन्होंने किया है टेस्ट, but still मेरे माइंड में एक चीज आई that you people have cheated and done, and the few students who have scored a very less marks, please work hard. पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. because my syllabus is running only in a 2 months. I think कि हमारा syllabus complete हो जाएगा up to the September end or mid of the October. My syllabus will get complete, and after that only daily I will be doing 1 day revision, 1 day test, like this. So if you are not going to study, it will be a great problem for you people. Now next is your physical properties of the amines. Now when we talk about the physical properties of the amines, we say that whatever the lower aliphatic amines, they are gases in the nature, and they have the ammonical smell, not a fishy one. Okay. Primary amines, जो आपके primary amines हैं, and especially amines with the 3 or more carbon atoms, they are the liquid in the nature. और जो ये liquid in the nature वाले होते हैं, they have the fishy smell. Then if you are going to move the higher ones, तो higher ones में you are going to have the solid, and your aniline and aryl amines, they are the colorless, but they get colored on storage. जो अगर आपसे कभी कोई पूछता है that your aniline and your aryl amines, they are colorless or colored, so your answer would be that they are the colorless in the nature, but when you are going to store them, they convert into a colored ones. And why they are converting into a colored amine, colored ones? Because of the atmospheric oxidation. Okay. Then talking about the amines, they have the high high boiling point with respect to the hydrocarbons. Then amines, whatever the amines we have, they are polar compounds, except tertiary. Then with increase in number of carbon atom in boiling point also increases. Now जितने भी lower aliphatic amines होते हैं, they are soluble in water. Lower अब यहाँ पे this question we can expect 1 marks question, give reason question, कि why the lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. That is because they can form the hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. Water molecules, and we say that solubility is going to decrease with increase in the molar mass of amines. क्यों? क्योंकि there will be the increase in the size of the hydrophobic alkyl parts. जितने भी higher amines हैं, they are going to be insoluble in the water. Okay, got it?
मैम एक बार रीजन रिपीट करना.
किसका बेटा? जो lower aliphatic amines हैं, they are soluble in the water because they form the hydrogen bond with the water molecule. और दूसरा मैंने आपको ये बताया that your solubility is going to decrease with increase in the molar mass of amines. The reason is what? Due to size of hydrophobic alkyl part. Okay, ये 1 मार्क्स के वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ गिव रीजन क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर. अब एक चीज जो आपको याद रखनी है, जितने भी प्राइमरी एमाइंस एंड सेकेंडरी एमाइंस हैं, they are going to have the intermolecular association. Intermolecular association क्यों होगी? They are going to have the intermolecular association due to the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen and the hydrogen. And जितने भी आपके tertiary amines हैं, third degree amines, they do not have the intermolecular association. क्यों? बिकॉज यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग जो है, हाइड्रोजन एटम जो है, इट वोंट बी अवेलेबल फॉर द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. दिस मच इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. It's for today we are going to do up to here only, and then tomorrow we will start with the chemical properties. Besides this, again I am repeating, beta, next time please do a neat and clean test paper. Do not